Hey guys, I know you are missing that restaurant style hot and sour soup. So for that, I have just taken uh, 1 tablespoon of oil. You can take butter also. I was not having butter, so I have taken oil. Then I have just finely chopped my garlic, red chilies and green chilies, and adrak. Then I have added it into it and just saute it. Now I'll add some vegetables into it. So I have some vegetables which are finely chopped. So I'll add it into my soup. I have added some finely chopped onion. Just mix it. Now I'll add some mixed veggies like carrot and tomatoes and pepper. Give a mix. Since it is a corona time and we cannot have this soup outside our home because it is not very safe for now to go out and have food or just order it and have it at home, and I don't like that ready-made soup, so I thought that I should just make it because I'm having a sore throat today. Now I'll add some cabbage which is also finely chopped. Now just give a mix. We will be making here vegetable stock which is almost ready. I'm boiling some vegetables in water for about 20 minutes. Okay, after that I'll strain that water and I'll just use that water which is known as a vegetable stock. Many vegetable stocks are available in the market, but again I don't like those packed with preservatives, so I just make it whenever I need at home. Now I'll add some pinch of salt. Just remember, don't add too much salt because we will add some sauces and that also contains salt into it. So I'll add a pinch of salt according to my taste. I'll also add some corn into it. Guys, I'll add some special masala into it. Due to corona, I have made this masala with dalchini, some pepper, black pepper, long. I have added a pinch of that salt into it. So I'll just add this masala, this much, 1/4 spoon. It will add a taste, and that it will add that tikhapan into it. Just give a mix. Now we will add some sauces. I'll use some soya sauce. I love soya sauce and it gives a very good color to Chinese food. Okay, I'll also use some tomato ketchup. Just give a mix. Veggies are also cooked. Now it's time to add our vegetable stock. Now guys, whatever you want to add, if you have less vegetable stock, you can add butter also. But I have vegetable stock in good quantity, so I'll just add that vegetable stock into it. I'm adding this vegetable stock into it. I'm making a good quantity of soup because I want to have it as my dinner, as I am having a sore throat. So this much is enough. Now we will cook it for next 5 minutes. See, it's boiling. For restaurant style soup, you have to add corn flour paste into it and you have to continuously stir it. But for today I'm not adding cornstarch because I'm not liking it. Today I just want to have a hot soup. And guys, see, without adding any corn flour also, I'm having a good soupy consistency. So just I'm not adding corn flour today because it is just for me and my husband, so I just don't want to add it. And it's ready. Just if you want, you can cook for a minute or two, and just it's ready to serve. The last thing I'll add into it is this vinegar. It will give a very good taste to it, and I just like it. So our soup is ready. Let it boil for next 2 minutes, and then it is done. Ready to serve. And my super delicious soup is ready to serve. You just have to add one more thing, that is spring onion. I was not having it today, so I have not added into it. So you can add that. Just enjoy this soup.